Okay. And you know, what if Instagram disappeared today? What would you be doing right now then?
Probably be a housewife.
No, nothing.
Yeah, no.
Nice. Saad's a lucky guy. Lifestyle creators are often expected to constantly level up, better homes, better cars, bigger vacations. Do you ever feel pressurized to it, to keep up with the expectation जो like you know online होती है कि अच्छा ये content creator है तो इसके पास सब कुछ you know up to date होगा.
Sometimes it does affect you. You do feel कि यार वो बंदा वो ले रहा है तो I think I should get it also.
Yeah.
But then you have to keep telling yourself कि यार नहीं, उसकी जर्नी अलग है, आपकी जर्नी अलग है. तो आप कभी भी एक दूसरे के साथ कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जो what I've been through or what the other person has been through, I cannot compare. तो फिर मैं अपने आप को यही समझाती हूँ कि यार there's no point. Let them buy, let them do whatever they want to. Or yeah, that's
So you're a big believer of everyone has their own journey.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
like you know you could reach it. You could reach a more like you know milestone at any point of your life.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so Roop, getting back to the questions, you're constantly approached by brands. We've seen you doing, you know, a lot of ads, a lot of collaborations with different brands. What's an immediate red flag that makes you turn down a collaboration?
The disrespect.
Can you like explain more?
Like for example, a brand reaches out to you and they're like कि नहीं, like for example budget की बात हो रही है and I'm giving them a quotation कि यार इतना मैं charge करती हूँ and they're like नहीं हानिया मेरे तो इतना चार्ज करती है या वो तो इतना चार्ज
कंपैरिजन बात करना शुरू करते हैं,
करने लग जाते हैं. और फिर मतलब आई डोंट लाइक, आई रिस्पेक्ट उनको भी जो दूसरे क्रिएटर्स हैं, पर लाइक यू शुड नॉट कंपेयर. अगेन वही बात है कि यार कंपैरिजन नहीं होना चाहिए. और ब्रांड्स इस तरह से करके अगले बंदे को, उस कंटेंट क्रिएटर को डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं. तो आई फील लाइक दिस इज सो बैड.
दिस इज समथिंग न्यू आई हैव हर्ड कि ब्रांड्स भी लाइक यू नो एक कंपैरिजन करते हैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के बीच में. ओके. Being married to another creator means your work and personal life naturally overlaps. How do you make sure relationship doesn't start feeling like content?
Acha, so when we used to make vlogs back in 2024, I believe तब ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा फील करती थी मैं, because we used to make daily vlogs. और उसके अंदर personal life आपकी totally neglect हो जाती है. Everything, all the activities you're doing, even if you're going on a honeymoon, तो you're more focused on the vlogs कि यार हम लोग content निकाल लें उसमें से, या what is the best we can do to for the people, you know, not for ourselves but for the people. So obviously वो चीज़ मुझे बहुत feel होती थी. But eventually जब डॉलर्स आते थे अकाउंट में तो फिर मैं खुश हो जाती थी कि चलो यार that's
It was worth it.
Yeah, it was worth it.
But like, have you guys overcome it yet now? कि like कुछ ऐसा पार्ट होता है कि like you're like नहीं आज नहीं बनाना कंटेंट, आज हमारा मी टाइम है. लकी भाई कर रहे हैं आप ऐसे कि नहीं?
नहीं, एक्चुअली ही इज़ वेरी नाइस इन इस मामले में. अब तो वैसे आपको पता है कि वी आर नॉट मेकिंग व्लॉग्स, लाइक ही इज़ नॉट मेकिंग व्लॉग्स, आई डोंट डू व्लॉग्स एनीवे. मेरा इंस्टाग्राम है, इंस्टाग्राम इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. इंस्टाग्राम इज़ लाइक अभी 1 घंटे का इंटरव्यू हुआ, इसके बाद आई एम बैक टू माई नॉर्मल लाइफ. आई कैन स्पेंड टाइम विद माई हस्बैंड, आई कैन गो आउट, आई कैन मीट हुएवर आई वांट. तो उसमें फिर वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. बट हाँ, डेफिनेटली जब आप लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्लॉग्स कर रहे होते हो तो फिर आपका पूरा दिन बाउंड हो जाता है. आप ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हो तो फिर आप हनीमून पे हो या जो भी हो, आप बाहर गए हो, यू आर शोइंग एवरी लाइक पार्ट ऑफ योर डे कि यार हमने ये खाया, ये किया, वो किया. तो अपना वाला टाइम यू नो वहाँ पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ होता था, बट इट डजंट हैपन एनीमोर.
That's great to know. Okay, you and Saad have such different personalities on camera. What do you think is the biggest misconception people have about your relationship?
Oh. You tell me, what is my personality on the camera?
I feel you're an introvert and he's kind of an extrovert. But मुझे लगता है ये उल्टा है.
ये उल्टा है. You said it. Because he is actually an introvert.
Yeah.
And I'm not extrovert, but I'm very कैसे कह सकती हूँ मैं इसको? How to explain it? कि जैसे
you know your people. कि किनके साथ जेलन करना और किनके साथ नहीं करना.
Yeah, exactly. I do open up, but only with very selective people.
Yeah. And Saad is the one who's like, you know, content पे
introvert.
लगेगा कि
हाँ.
like सबसे बात
सबसे
कर
बात
लेंगे, but
करता
जैसे
है.
कैमरा ऑफ होगा he's like, okay मैं कोने में बैठ जाऊँ.
हाँ, yeah, right.
Okay, nice. Okay, so we're going to do a rapid fire with you. You have to select, you know, कि कौन सी आपको option पसंद है और कौन सी नहीं. Okay, so Instagram Reels or YouTube videos?
Definitely Instagram Reels.
Heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Okay, coffee or chai?
Coffee.
Gold jewelry or silver?
Gold.
Designer wear or high street fashion?
Designer wear.
Glam makeup or no makeup?
No makeup.
Okay. Online shopping or in store?
I think online because I cannot go out उस तरह से.
Okay. So we as an audience have seen that you have pets. So the next question is because related to that.
Okay.
Poosh or Ducky Bhai?
Saad, of course.
Not Poosh?
Yeah, push me यार. This is a pet.
अभी तो आपने एक नई कैट भी ली है.
Mishi.
मिशी, या तो अब चलो पूश और मिशी.
Oh my god. I love you, Mishi, but push.
Guys, Poosh is the cutest cat I've ever seen. एक
Yeah.
like you know Garfield in a human form है वो. वो अभी मिल नहीं रहा, पता
वो
नहीं किधर
पीछे
गया है.
आपके बिल्कुल अंदर गया हुआ सोफे के.
उसको निकालते हैं. Okay, so guys, we have a special guest joining us in the interview. The one and only, the cutest cat I've ever seen, Poosh. Can you tell us the story behind Poosh? Like, you know, आपने कब लिया and like, you know, what's the journey been like being a cat mom?
Cat mom. We found him on the street.
Oh.
हम लोग कहीं जा रहे थे और ये रास्ते में हमें मिला. Now he's the important part of my life.
It seems he's very cute,
He's very
mashallah.
cute. He's so calm.
Okay, coming back to the questions, that was the rapid fire round. We're coming towards the end of the video. Okay, Aroop, what's something people assume about you that's completely inaccurate?
What people...
Like क्या assumption है लोगों की कि like you know कैमरे पे आप कुछ लगती
get
हैं
the
but off
question.
camera you're something else.
Yeah, you're the audience. You tell.
Huh, where the yeah guys please comments में
Yeah, you
बताएं.
tell. What are the assumptions about me? I think people think that I'm pregnant when
Oh my god. That got way too real. Okay guys, now you guys know the answer. She's only a cat mom, not an actual mom. और ये जो Poosh, उनका बच्चा.
दो बच्चे.
दो बच्चे.
Mishi भी.
Mishi and Poosh. Okay. Describe Aroop Jatoi in 3 words.
She is generous.
And 3 words.
Oh, okay. 3 sentences.
Yeah, 3
Okay.
sentences चलें.
She is generous. She is loyal. She is very loving.
No, that's so sweet. My question to you is, कि like you know, people think content creation is a very easy job and an easy way to make money. Okay, what's your take on that?
काम कोई भी आसान नहीं है. काम चाहे आप जो कर रही हो वो भी आसान नहीं है. काम जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो भी आसान नहीं है. Because आप देखो, we compromise on so many things. We sacrifice so many things. हमारी personal life हो गई. उसके बाद there's so many things that I cannot do because I come on like social media, right? So there are so many sacrifices that we do and you don't see. So you cannot say that.
Yeah, that's a really great advice, Aroop. And also one more question. You recently got viral for making Instagram vlogs, जो home vlogs आप
Oh,
बनाती
yeah,
हैं.
home series.
So do you consider yourself as a trendsetter? Because after your videos, we saw many influencers making those kind of videos.
Yeah. We both actually are the trendsetters.
Oh, nice.
I believe.
So